final series, those guys can't afford to score 40 points because what it means to watch it, their teammates are standing around watching. They're not as involved. Kobe comes back to the White House. So how Irvin got word for this next, the Kobe Bryant, he was supposed to take fewer shots, but 13 shots is better for Kobe than 30 shots. Because all those other guys, I think Irvin feel more involved. They feel like it's more up to them to get involved and be aggressive. We talked about aggression early in the game.
Can he do that in Denver in Game 6? Lay dead. Like,
If Lamar Odom comes out and plays the same way, I'm gonna go back to Michael. Were you watching Cavaliers? Were you watching? Were you listening to what Michael said? LeBron James need help. The Lakers reserves